And you've got more on those floods in Italy.
Yeah, that's right, Sophie. The rains that we've seen in Italy, yet another example of our changing climate. And there's been 6 months worth of rain in just a couple of weeks. The latest rain coming from this cloud wrapped around storm Minerva. That has now weakened. The rain has eased off, but there's more heavy rain to come potentially as we head into the weekend.
Now, there have been desperate scenes in northern Italy today after 14 rivers burst their banks, flooding 23 towns. At least 8 people have died. Others are missing after parts of the Emilia-Romagna region saw half a metre of rain in just 36 hours. That's half of what would fall in an average year. Thousands of people have had to be moved from their homes, and this weekend's Formula One race at Imola has been cancelled for safety reasons. Well, the extreme weather comes as scientists warn today that the world will almost certainly experience its hottest year on record within the next 5 years, and is likely to break a key temperature limit for the first time, passing the threshold of 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels by the end of 2027. Here's our climate editor, Justin Rolat.
Remember last summer? Temperatures in England breached 40 degrees Celsius for the first time, driving wildfires and helping make 2022 the hottest year ever recorded in the UK. And we can expect even hotter weather worldwide in the coming years, according to the World Meteorological Organization, the UN's weather and climate body. Rising temperatures thanks to global warming are one reason, but we are also seeing a change in a crucial weather system in the Pacific Ocean called El Niño. For the last few years, winds blowing along the equator have been stronger than normal, pushing warmer water towards the coast of Asia and helping deep, cold water well up on the coast of the Americas. This phase is known as La Niña and is associated with below average global temperatures. We're now moving into the El Niño phase, where winds are weaker, which means warm water spreads across the Pacific. Now that tends to increase global temperatures by about 0.2 degrees Celsius on average. Now that does not sound much, but it makes it almost certain, a 98% chance, according to the UN's weather experts, that 1 year in the next 5 will be the hottest ever recorded. And it gives us a 2 in 3 chance, 66%, that global temperatures will exceed the 1.5 degree Celsius global warming threshold between now and 2027.
That's never happened before in terms of a yearly average global temperature. So we are heading into unprecedented territory, to temperatures we simply haven't experienced before, and the impacts will be equally unprecedented.
Oh, ragazzi, che paura, che paura.
I'm frightened, says this woman as she drives through floodwaters on an Italian motorway. Today's report comes as a number of people have been reported killed and several are missing after heavy rains caused extensive flooding in northern Italy. The Grand Prix circuit at Imola has flooded and this weekend's race has been cancelled. Our changing climate will make this kind of intense rainfall more common in future, say climate scientists. Justin Rolat, BBC News.